This thing's gonna stay up.
All right. What? Oh, you need this?
Yeah.
Oh.
Stand here. Tigas parang burat ko. Three 16 and 11/32. How do you say that? How do you say it?
I don't know how to say it.
Hold on. Take two.
Okay.
Notice my we'll just keep going.
I can't see.
Alright. We're here changing Scratchers on JoJo's 2022 Polaris boot. We're putting this new reversible Scratchers. So JoJo doesn't keep stopping on the trail because he's saying first load is overused. First thing you need is face shield or eye protection. And make sure you wear your leather gloves. And what you need to start with this is a 5mm, 5mm, drill bit for the plate. This is their guide plate. Make sure when you line this up there, it's facing down. The arrow is facing down, just like that one. After that, you use the bigger drill bit. Oh fuck, wrong one. Alright guys, for the torque spec, I'm gonna adjust it right here.
You got it, Cedric?
That's good right there.
We're good.
Max PR right there, baby.
Right there.